Adrian created me, and I'm currently getting millions of views and people can't stop watching!
Since my last video, I've done over 400 million views on my AI animated content. It's been completely blowing up, as you can see with the numbers over here. 19 million on just that video right there. That is more than one view for every single person in the United States in just the last 2 or 3 weeks. And over this short period of time, I've gained over 2.5 million followers, over 1 million that I'm going to disclose to you right now, including my page Lifehack that I've been very transparent about. I've completely rebranded it into this AI space based on how well it's doing. These viewers are super high quality. On this page alone, over 40% of the viewership is in the US. As you can see, this post right here, 14 million views, over 500,000 shares. You can look at all the comments and everything. Hundreds of people a day sharing this to their story, hair salons, all that stuff. Here we have the car hacks video. This one is pretty cool. People actually copied the idea and got way more views than me. I got 4 million on just this alone. And a little fun fact about this video here, I got a pretty interesting follower. I got one of the most popular musical artists, Big Sean, who's now following my page just because of that piece of content. And a quick update on Bagel's page, the animated version of my dog. When I made the last video, I think we're at like 1,500 followers. We are now at 69,000 followers, and I haven't even done that much content, but you can see 52K likes, 65K likes, 21K, almost 300K on this one. People absolutely love this content, and I'm noticing Bagel just honestly everywhere. I think people are taking inspiration from this and making all types of videos. Honestly, that's so wild. We've even gotten multiple DMs from pet owners that have beagles that are also named Bagel. And here's one other page I want to show. I had this username from a really long time. I just launched the account, and similar to Bagel, it's at about 67,000 followers. Now, the content on here, in terms of like the actual view numbers, is extremely insane. It's a super lucrative niche of women's health and beauty. And obviously it helps that I have my other pages to push this, but the content alone is so catchy that it gets millions of views. And behind the scenes, I've been grinding. This is the flow account. As you can see, this is just from the last couple of days. It just keeps going and going and going. I have so many characters, and I've been working with Sandro on templates for the community that makes all of this process so much easier. And if you haven't seen my last video, I highly recommend you watch it. I show you the strategies to create hundreds of these videos for extremely cheap. If I was paying individually for the API cost of every single clip that I made, I would have easily spent thousands upon thousands of dollars, but I saved almost all of it by using Google Flow and a FreePik Unlimited subscription. So Sandro and I have been experimenting on so many different things. We really like FreePik. I have a referral code in the description if you want to use it. We have the roughly $50 plan. We've done tons of experiments with both Nano Banana and Seedream. Seedream creates some really good results as well. And all of these are in the template if you're in the school community. But like I said, you're really going to need 2 subscriptions to make this work. You're going to need that FreePik subscription so you can generate tons and tons of start frames, which are super important for the videos, as well as the Google Ultra subscription. I even top up on credits on this quite a bit, but I think for most places, they still have a monthly version where you get half off for the first 3 months. So that will only cost you $125 a month for the first few months. So if you add those both together, you're paying around $200 a month, which I know is not cheap, but this is a skill that is extremely lucrative, and I highly recommend that you learn. Whether you make an Instagram account organically or you sell ads, whatever you do, I would be learning these skills. They are super important. I mean, I've been covering VO3 since the day it launched. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to like movie content, social media content, advertisements, everything. So in the background, we've been working on different methods to make this extremely high quality and easy to produce. Here I have another of the FreePik templates. Essentially, this text block over here is just JSON. We have pre-prompted Claude or Gemini to come up with a file with all the scripts. Everything is done with AI. You know, you have to do some personal monitoring to make sure that the images are good and the video outputs are good, but so much of the process is handled by the AI. It's actually mind-blowing. We just pop it into here, click this one play button, everything renders from the top to bottom. You can do this on both the unlimited mode, which takes a while, or you can use credits, which is pretty cheap. Generates all these things. You just choose which frames you want. It even puts the watermark into these specific ones. You can just go in, copy the video prompt, upload these to Flow, generate them. And as you can see here, you have a 5-segment video done within minutes. Now we're working on so many ways to improve this. You can generate the videos directly in FreePik 2, but it will cost you tons of credit. And normally I like to generate them like between 3 and 9 times, so I get a really good video content, and that gets extremely expensive when doing it through FreePik and these other platforms. So like I said, you need those subscriptions to really perform at the top level. Now, do I think it's realistic that you get millions of followers a month? No, but the people I've worked with that have smaller pages have been able to get tens of thousands of followers and really hone in their skills to make extremely good content. I don't think the animated life hack content may be as viral into the future as it was over the last few weeks, but I still know that these animated formats that aren't tricking anyone, people just genuinely really like to share and all that stuff, are not going away. These are taking over market share of the entire influencer space. There is like incredible amount of money and value. I mean, just doing one really good sponsored ad, they could pay tens of thousands of dollars if you get the millions of views and high quality views that show off their product. And I think it's super realistic that you can take some of the ideas like I did with Bagel, or maybe take some specific hobby that you have or something you know really well and make content, animated content around it. I think you could be wildly successful. And that's what I would immediately drop everything I'm doing and start to learn these skills. Because like new models like Sea Dream 2 are coming out, and they are just blowing away real content, no questions asked. And I just wanted to give an update on my school community. You know, I think the value that I provided, even in the last YouTube video, so incredibly valuable. But in my school community is where we have the very best. And I honestly think like now with this new animated talking objects course, the value is just completely unreal. So I'll just open this up really quickly. I have an intro video. We have how we do all the prompting, how we do it, all the generations on unlimited plans, as I highly recommend. Doing the basic version, I mean, if you don't want to get the subscriptions, you can do it, you know, individual videos for less. I highly don't recommend that one. But the one-click workflow, this is a video that Sandro made, 16 minutes, super high quality. It goes over that FreePik template that you can get if you're in the school community. I also have a video on AI watermarks, compiling the content. There's going to be a bunch more videos dropping on how to grow organically on Instagram, how to make content specifically as advertisements for clients, because honestly, a lot of this applies to all the other stuff I've been teaching. When you join the school community, you also get a video on marketing basics, a lot of image generation stuff we did before, video generation, audio generation, FreePik. Sandro did tons of high quality content on FreePik. We have N8N and the automations. To be honest, you can do this in N8N, but the reliability was just not good, and we needed some visual way to do it. So we may be coming up with N8N templates in the future for this, but now I promise you the way we're doing it will lead you to a lot more success. Portfolios and pricing, this is just in general if you want to build AI ads for people, how you do it, how you outreach to them, and ultimately sell them on these services. Now, my school community, I just upped it. I doubled the price. It's now $50 a month. But I highly, highly recommend you do the annual plan, which will cost you $250 per year. The amount of stuff we're going to have out in this community in the next year is going to provide thousands and thousands of dollars of value. And I may even just get rid of this $50 a month subscription, to be honest. I just wanted to keep it here. But anyone joining this course, like, I want them to be very serious. I want them to actually get the tools, and I want to see some actual output. I don't want people just joining and lurking this community just for fun. I want this for serious builders, and that's why we're building serious value. So if anything in this video interests you and you want to join, The link will be in the description. I'll have more updates soon. I'm going to be doing more YouTube videos. Dream 2 just released yesterday, and it is mind-blowing, and it's like maybe even a 10x up from the type of content we have with VO3. There is so much happening in the AI space. It's so hard to keep up, and that's why I recommend you learn now before you get left out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.